Hi everyone, long time no see. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas and a happy new year. It's 2021, so I figured I need to be more active here on YouTube, so I'm doing a series called Makeup of the Day. I do this every single day on Instagram, but you know, like your stories expire and nobody gets to see it. So starting from now, I'm going to start filming me getting ready to do my makeup of the day, and then I'll show you guys the products that I used on my face. So this is the finished look, and then I'll tell you the product, and then I'll just do like a speed up version of like from start to finish, because I do get asked once in a while, you know, from start to finish and how you achieve the look and all that stuff on Instagram. So I figured I just put YouTube so you guys can reference it if you guys like some of the looks that I've done. So for my base today, I used my Dior foundation. I am still trying to finish this foundation. I think I have like 2 more uses and then it's gonna be completely finished. And then for my under eye concealer, I've been really liking the Kylie concealer. I have the shade in Maple and I actually really like it. It doesn't crease underneath my eyes, and I think it's a really nice kind of brightening color, and I'm really impressed. I'm like really surprised. And then to set everything, I used my Covergirl powder. It's the clean fresh powder. I have this one in light. These powders do run a little bit darker, I feel like, so I do have it in light and I feel like it works fine, and pretty tan. And then for blush and bronzer, I used this Pacifica duo that I got from Ipsy. I think it was an add-on. It was like $3 and it was supposed to be like sample size, but this is pretty full size, so I really like this. It's called a Desert Sunset, and the shades work out really perfectly on me. I did use my Tatcha sample primer underneath my foundation. I am just trying to use this up. It's just a tiny sample. I don't know if I'll buy the full size because it is expensive, but it's really nice as a primer. And then for highlight, I didn't really use anything else except this one. I really like this. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand, and I have this in the shade Dream. I think it brings such like natural luminosity on the skin. It looks really natural. It just kind of looks like you're glowing from within. So I'm really impressed with this, and I use this once in a while in my rotation. Then for my eyebrows today, I'm using my Revolution brow pencil. This is really thin. I like it. The color is really dark. I have it in dark brown, and I think out of all the dark browns in my collection, this is the darkest dark brown that I have, and I really do like it. And then to set my brows, this is the Anastasia brow gel, and I do really like this product as well, so I'm trying to use this up. This is pretty much done. It's pretty dry, but I mean, I still use it. I don't really think it sets my brows very well, so it gives my brows a little bit of color, and that's about it. So for my eyes today, I just got this and I'm trying it out. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Eye Primer. I've been using my Essence one, which I really like because it brightens my eye. This doesn't really give the eye color, but it is very sticky. So every time I've used this is the 3rd time I've used this now, and every time I have to use it, I need to set my concealer, or else anything that I put on my eye, it's going to get really patchy because it will cling to the primer because it's really sticky. So, but I do like your eyeshadows will stay put if you use this stuff. Eyeliner, I've been using my Man Eater liner. This is really nice. I got this one was on sale for like $12, and for a high-end liner, usually I've been disappointed by a lot, but I have been consistently using this. I think the formula is really nice. It doesn't smudge, and I love that it's a brush tip, and I hate felt tip line. For my lips today, I am wearing, this is the LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner. This one is in the shade Blushing. And then since I'm using the BH Cosmetics Holiday Palette on my eyes, I used like one of my Pat McGrath like shiny lipsticks. It has a little bit of shimmer. It's kind of like corally. The shade is called Full Fenty. And the eye palette I used is the BH Cosmetics The Naughty Palette, and this is their holiday palette. If you guys can get your hands on this, it's so nice, and the eyeshadows are massive and it's so pretty. So if you guys can get your hands on it, I highly recommend it. It's really pretty. So anyways, I hope you guys are having a good day, and I'll see you guys on my next video. And I hope you guys like this series. I'm just gonna call it Makeup of the Day. I don't really have any fancy name for it because that's it. It's my makeup of the day. Let me know if you have any feedback for me, if you think, you know, my speed up version, if it's too fast, or if you want a little bit more detailed on the eye part, because I'll probably just, you know, speed everything. Just leave me some comments below and I'll definitely appreciate your feedback. So anyways, I hope you guys have a good day and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.
Got so many things in common, so I don't understand. Just tell me what's the problem. I'm not hiding it when I'm coming on strong. You've been stringing me along, yeah. All you do is talk, but talk is cheap. Knowing I've been falling, knowing you ain't on it. It's been messing with my self-esteem. It's not you, it's me. I curse too much, don't flirt enough. My insecurities get the best of me once again. Oh, inside my head, I'm not that funny. You don't budge cause you don't want me. Tell myself lies till I believe. It's not you, it's me. If I never dye my hair pink, maybe you'd be down, but I probably ruined everything. When I asked you to hang out too many times last week, stupid like I'm 15. You're dipping your toes while I'm in too deep. There must be a reason you're not into me. It's been messing with my self-esteem. It's not you, it's me. I curse too much, don't flirt enough. My insecurities get the best of me once again. Oh, inside my head, I'm not that funny. You don't budge cause you don't want me. Tell myself lies till I believe. It's not you, it's me. It's not you, it's me. Is it my fault? Is it my flaws? I keep it one-sided, so unrequited. Am I to blame? I wish you would say it, just tell me why. Is it my fault? Is it my flaws? I keep it one-sided, so unrequited. Am I to blame? I wish you would say it, just tell me why. It's not you, it's me. I curse too much, don't flirt enough. My insecurities get the best of me once again. Oh, inside my head, I'm not that funny. You don't budge cause you don't want me. Tell myself lies till I believe. Oh, it's not you, it's me. It's not you, it's me.
You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah, without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. Cause you really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.